inilunsad sa Mall of Asia sa Pasay City nitong linggo ang SM Active Hub na layong hikayatin ng mga Pilipino na maging aktibo sa sports para manatiling healthy. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Matapos na pasinayaan ang pinakabagong football field sa MOA Sky kamakailan, may panibagong pakulo sa Mall of Asia upang patuloy na itaguyod ang sports dito sa Pilipinas. Binuksan nitong linggo ang SM Active Hub kung saan itinayo ang isang inclusive sports playground sa loob mismo ng mall. Pero hindi lamang ito matatagpuan sa Pasay City dahil may kabuuang 44 na pickleball courts at 14 na running hubs ang inilunsad sa iba't ibang SM malls sa buong bansa. Ayon sa Pangulo ng SM Supermalls na si Steven Tan, bahagian niya ito ng kanilang layunin na hikayatin ng mga Pilipino na mag-ehersisyo at sumabak din sa sports.
Actually, at the end of the day, we feel that health and wellness really should be promoted because we realize that, of course, it is very important since time immemorial, right? But there's really this realization that really happened during the pandemic na talagang importante sa tao ang maging malusog, no? And that's why we've been pushing for health and wellness.
Nagpasalamat naman sina Run Rio founder Rio de la Cruz, Women's Run PH founder Nicole de la Cruz, at RWP Run Club at RWP Coaching founder Patrick Rubin dahil sa walang sawang suporta ng naturang mall lalo na sa running.
When I started running 2022, dito sa MOA, tapos I remember nung medyo nagkaka-group na kami, yung guards dito parang, excuse me, meron ba kayong permit, ganyan. It's just really nice to see ngayon na it's very welcome and open to everyone.
Given opportunity to have support from them, it makes our community bigger, and more than that, we can successfully mount an event for everyone. So having this mounted event, more people are now interested more in running. So the venue is a big help for us and for the running community.
When Run Rio started its business, SM been supporting us by providing the space for us and for our runners to have a safe place for our races.
Bukas na sa publiko ang Active Hub kung saan pwedeng masubukan ang sumisikat na sport ngayon na pickleball. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.